it kind of works. And that's cool. Let me show you that. So, over here, again, the pump and the filling module. Now everything is assembled, everything is electrically connected, it talks to each other. The software is at a point where I can run full cycles, but I'm having issues with the scale, but I'll show you that. So, basically, I have here a bucket full of water. And if that's something I learned from my former job where we were working on printing machines, if you deal with some kind of fluids, always test with water first, because you have plenty of it and you don't mind if it goes somewhere it shouldn't go. Once it works with water, then switch to whatever else you might have, but first start with water. Now, this is the view for the bottle, and here you see the GUI. The GUI tells me put the bottle at the entry, so let's put the bottle at the entry. And emergency stop. Something went bad. Again, of course it's always when you're testing something. So, try again. Now it works. So, we go into it, the pump starts running, we fill. And for some reason the GUI is not reacting. It's always, I try to show something, it doesn't work. But yeah. Next try, next bottle. Now, you have seen on the GUI the progress bar progressing. That is the live view of the scale. I'm pretty happy about this. I'll go further into detail. What you also have seen is that advancing the bottles to have the tube coming in is a tricky part, because this opening is pretty narrow, much narrower than the beer glass I had before. So I really need to properly adjust it to make sure that we are where we want to be. Let me try once again. Shit. At least the emergency stop routine works as it should. But yeah, definitely have to run a bunch more tests. So referencing, that is referenced. And now put that one in the middle. Shit. So here we see the progress of me filling. But as it seems, my filler distance is a bit too much. I think I should go down 2 millimeters and try again. Empty bottles. Still too far. Still too far. Now, yeah, I'm not gonna do this for hours. It's boring for you to watch. As you see, there are some parameters that need fine-tuning. Yeah, now it works a bit better. Something worth noticing is that now if again, it's the good old system, I hope. Nah. I have to, now you see the pump is running and it's filling, and now it goes slow. Towards the end of the filling, I go down with the pump speed to have more precision when I stop. And that's also something I need to fine-tune. But I have to be very careful about this, to be in the middle. As I noticed, the only thing I can adjust is the forward axis. And assuming I have my two levers at the same height, it should center the bottle. But I'm not. I have to try that more. But I have another much bigger issue that is not just parametrizing. It's my scale. So if I go to the read scale mode, you see now it is at minus 30 grams, which, yeah, okay, we need to calibrate it. Let's calibrate it. Now, I'm still waiting for my calibration weights, which I have ordered, that somehow got lost in transit. So this is my current calibration weight, and I have just marked it. It is 207 grams. It's a can of corn. But, it's a reference. It's something that is not going to change for now. So to test software, it is definitely good enough. So for calibration, I first press the button to say that is 0. Then I put my weight. And down here, I have set the 207 grams as a calibration weight. And then I calibrate once again. And then I can take that off. And then I can go to scale mode. And yeah, I'm close to 0. But that's the big issue I have, is I believe my cheap load cell is drifting. Because now if I put my weight, 207 grams, and of course, yesterday it was drifting. It got higher and higher and higher. Now I want to show you how it's drifting, and it's not. Strange stuff. But it's just, I came to the conclusion that my load cell is not reliable. So I needed to order other load cells, and ordering these other load cells, of course, takes time again. But nevertheless, I have all the stuff working, and I'm pretty happy about this. So that's the current update, and I'll keep you posted as soon as I get further.